Welcome to your e-learning marketing system dashboard. Your dashboard is like the control panel in a fighter jet, except it places you in total control of your business by giving you the power to generate leads at will and the ability to dominate your competition. This system gives you back total control when it comes to generating revenue, and if you follow a process, it will enable you to build a 7-figure business. Let me explain. In order for your business to be truly successful, you must learn the rules of business. These are the fundamental principles that every business owner must know, but very few of them actually do. These are the things that business owners don't know, they don't know. They are also the things they must know to be successful, which explains why 96% of all businesses eventually fail. We want to position you firmly in that top 4% that succeed. And to make sure that happens, we immediately begin to send you weekly emails containing a link to a state-of-art instructional video that trains you in one of these critical fundamentals every week. We also send you a weekly e-class that provides additional strategic guidance for your business in the areas of sales and marketing. The e-class can be read at your leisure. It's more supplemental information we provide as a bonus. Always stay focused on the weekly instructional videos as they contain the critical information you must apply to your business to achieve ultimate success. We limit this training to one video per week to avoid any chance of overwhelming you with information. However, it will typically take you 1 week to fully master each fundamental and to apply the information to your business. But believe me when I tell you, the effort you put into this will be more than worth it. You will begin to see a major shift in the way you position and market your business within just the first 90 days. You will continue to receive these weekly emails throughout your entire first year as a member. The 52 emails you will receive will all but guarantee you a coveted spot in that elite 4% of the business owners who build a successful business, one that remains successful for years to come. Now, if you look on your dashboard, the first link is labeled e-learning weekly series. When you click on this link, you will see all 52 weeks of instructional training that get delivered weekly, listed from top to bottom. This link is on your dashboard as a means for you to quickly review any of the weekly instructional training videos you have already received. Think of this as your e-learning fundamentals archive, when you can visit at any time without the inconvenience of attempting to retrieve that one specific email we sent you with the link to the video you happen to need. This archive allows you to quickly retrieve the important data you are seeking when you need it. Just remember, this is the exact same information you are receiving from us every week. One important note, each of the links within the archive will only activate after you have received your weekly email. This prevents you from trying to rush ahead and attempt to apply too much information to your business too quickly. We previously discovered that when we allow all the links to be active from the start, most members jumped directly to the marketing and lead generation sections before they had the necessary fundamentals in place. This is a guaranteed recipe for failure. Be patient and work on each weekly instructional video in the order you receive it. If you do, your marketing and lead generation efforts will be successful in the end. After you receive your first weekly email from us, the first video and the e-class links will become active. The remainder will be grayed out and remain that way until you receive each corresponding email. Just be sure you put your full effort behind each of these weekly lessons and you will see measurable results begin to occur within your business in just 90 days. Now, you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but You need a way to generate additional revenue and cash flow right now, not in 90 days. We understand that. We have never worked with any small business owner that didn't need immediate cash flow. That's why the second dashboard link is labeled Quick Start Program. Click on this link to access 10 revenue generating videos that focus on the areas of your business that can produce impressive streams of income simply by tweaking several basic areas within your business. For example, we will help you create a short 10-second mini commercial for your business we call an elevator pitch. When someone asks you, what do? Your response will all but compel them to want to buy what you sell. Then we will show you how to turn your basic business card into a lead generating magnet, and we will even help you fine tune your website so it actually generates revenue for you and your business. These 10 videos will typically produce $10,000 to $25,000 in revenue within just 30 to 90 days. If you apply the information properly, these videos will guide you through the process step by step. We designed the Quick Start program to help you instantly eliminate any short-term financial burdens you may be encountering. Now that you have removed the financial pressure from your business, it's time to get serious about building your business to its maximum potential. The next 5 dashboard links will do that for you. The 5 links labeled more leads, more conversions, more transactions, higher prices and more profits are what we call our 5-step profit formula. By focusing on just these 5 business growth areas, we can help any business owner double their profits within 12 to 24 months. How? I'm sure you have heard of the 80-20 rule that states that just 20% of the things you focus on within your business will produce 80% of your total revenue. These 5 dashboard links make up that critical 20%. But here's even better news. You will only need to focus on one of these 5 links at a time. Leave the others until you need them. For example, if your business is a startup or less than a year old, you probably need to start with more leads link. If your business is more than a year old and you have an established base of customers or clients, then start with more transactions link. It costs you 5 times more money to generate a new lead as it does to service an existing customer. So it makes more sense to increase the number of times your current customers buy from you than to attempt to generate more leads. But whichever of these 5 links you decide to click on, you will notice they all contain just 4 basic sections: fundamentals, strategies, tactics, and resources. The fundamental section contains a short audio overview of that specific section. It gives you a 30,000 foot overview of the fundamentals you need to know for that specific section. The next section may be the most important section in your e-learning system, and it's the main reason no one can compete with us when it comes to helping small businesses market themselves successfully. It's your strategies link. And since we happen to be in the more leads section, this link contains the latest in the world-class strategies specifically designed to generate all the leads your business can handle. When you look through this section, you will discover dozens of powerful lead generation strategies. Don't assume you need to learn them all. You don't. You want to browse through this collection and select the one that favors you and your individual strengths. If you are great at networking, then select the networking strategy, or perhaps the joint venture strategy. If you are comfortable sending out direct mail to your prospects, then let us show you a strategy you can use to send out direct mail to more than 50,000 prospects for free. There are strategies here for radio, TV, webinars, teleseminars, even home shows. You only need to select one and then implement that strategy successfully. We will even give you the tools and resources to make sure you do this right. Let me explain. Each strategy consists of a series of tactics. For example, let's assume you decide to host a webinar as your preferred strategy. Here are the tactical steps required to execute this strategy successfully. You need to write either a direct mail letter or an email inviting your prospects to your presentation. Perhaps you decide on email to save on the cost of direct mailing. So now you must know the intricacies of email marketing. Your email must be persuasive in order to compel your prospects to register for your event. So you will need to learn a powerful marketing technique we refer to as the marketing equation. At the end of the mail, you will want to direct them to a website where they can register to attend. So you will need to create this website properly. Now you will need to create a powerful presentation that employs powerful video marketing techniques to ensure your presentation resonates with your target prospects. And perhaps the week of your presentation, you may decide to place an ad in your local paper to capture additional prospects. All of these tactics make up a webinar or a teleseminar strategy. They are all critical to the successful execution of that strategy. Now, do you know how to execute all these tactics yourself? Most business owners don't have a clue. But you will know how to execute them all, and with complete confidence and certainty. Just click on your tactics link and notice that every tactic we just discussed is here for the taking. How we design market dominating websites. How we help you write persuasive marketing. Learn our bulletproof marketing equation. How we design competition crushing ads. How to make email marketing work for your business. How to use video marketing to compel action, and many more. You may need just one or two of these to execute this strategy like a pro, but they are all here waiting for you to ensure each strategy you choose to execute for your business will be done successfully. But wait, we are still not done. You only need to use these tactics if you decide to do everything on your own. Suppose we could do it all for you. Click on your resources link and check out our total and complete done for you group of marketing libraries. Each of these contain all the tools, resources and templates you need to execute each strategy with minimal to no effort on your part. For example, if you decide to use any type of print marketing, click on the top link labeled Market Dominating Advertising and Marketing Samples. Here we have over 125 separate businesses listed, with many of them containing completed turnkey marketing campaigns worth between $25,000 to $50,000. These include print ads of all sizes, brochures, reports, door hangers, postcards, drip campaigns, home show booths, signage, flyers, and so on. These ads are 95% completed and ready to go. They only require some slight revisions, such as adding your company name and contact information, and possibly some slight changes in the language used in each ad. These ads have been professionally designed by the world-class graphic designers, and we have the templates already completed. This means you avoid having to hire your own copywriter and a graphic designer, saving you thousands of dollars in additional marketing expense. We also have an elevator pitch library, so you can select your very own $1 million message for your business. There's an email library, so you can choose the exact style of email you need to generate instant and lucrative results. Same thing with our sales letter library. We have letters here that have generated thousands of dollars in sales and profits. Our script library will make sure you, your staff, your sales force, as well as your receptionist know exactly what to say and when to say it. You now have access to a library of powerful and compelling TV ads in the event you decide that marketing channel is an option for your business. And if it's not an option, use our 30-second TV scripts to learn how to communicate a powerful and persuasive message in just half a minute. Our USP library will do the same thing. Use this library to select your own unique selling proposition that allows you to instantly communicate what you do in just a few words. But again, if you decide to do things on your own, be sure you scroll down to the last link titled Our Secret Resources and Templates. Here we have templates to show you how to create world-class headlines, ads, websites, reports, business cards, and much more. But remember that all of the content you just witnessed in the strategies, tactics, and resources links are targeted to generating more leads only. You have access to these same critical resources in the remaining links labeled more conversions, more transactions, higher prices, and more profits. And much of that content is different than what you just saw, since each link's content is specifically tailored for that specific section. But please listen to what I am about to say very carefully. When you have executed strategies in each of these 5 important links, your business will be 10 to 100 times more profitable than your competition. You will be pushing the maximum revenue potential for your business. Now is the time to move to the final dashboard link labeled Build a $1 Million Business. Here we can show you how to document your success and license it to others on a global basis. When you license your successful process, you can charge an upfront fee in the range of $10,000 up to $50,000, as well as an ongoing fee of $397 to $997 per month for the rights to continue to use it on an ongoing basis. Don't worry right now if this sounds confusing. Obviously, you are a ways off from needing this link right now. Just know that when the time is right, this section is here to show you how to take your business to the next level. A level that less than 0.5% of all business ever reach $1 million a year or more in gross revenue. We will help businesses like yours to do this all the time, and we will help you to do it as well. Good luck.